Welcome to the DVD app from Netflix, the fastest way to access DVD.com. When you sign in, you'll see a familiar home screen with recommendations grouped into genres and interesting categories. You can swipe to browse each row, or tap on their titles to see more recommendations. Tap the sort button in the top right to change the way the list is displayed. If you see something you'd like to watch, tap it, then tap the plus to add it to your queue. You can even recommend movies to your friends with a tap. Touching the share button lets you send a link via email, text, and social media. For more information about a title, scroll down. You'll see details like cast and crew, genre and mood, and suggestions for similar movies you may like. To rate a movie, just tap the red stars. The more you rate, the better your recommendations. It's easy to manage your queue. Just tap the DVD icon on the home screen. Tap the button next to a title for the options to remove it, change its position in your queue, or change the disc format. Tapping the At Home tab lets you see the titles you currently have and which new discs are on their way to you. If you need to report a problem with a disc, tap the button next to it. You can check on upcoming release dates by tapping the Saved tab. Tapping History lets you browse through discs you've returned. This is a great place to rate movies after you've watched them. Tapping Search makes it easy to find new movies and shows. You'll see things that are trending now, or you can type to look for a specific title. Tap the headers to show only movies, TV shows, actors, or genres. Know what you're in the mood for but don't have a specific title in mind? Search for a broad genre like thriller or comedy, or a TV network like HBO to narrow it down. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner for the options to switch profiles, check out a specific genre, edit your account, or search for a help topic. Plus, make sure notifications are on to know when we ship and receive your discs. If you ever have a question or concern, please call us at 1-800-585-8018 and reference your service code, which you can get by tapping the last item in the menu. After a hard day, have an easy night with the new DVD Netflix app.